Thanks for sticking with us throughout this video series. It's been a great ride navigating this awesome software. One last thing, our payroll module has some more advanced features which you can find on the horizontal navigation bar. These include things like commission management, timesheet and overtime management, and the GRA yearly forms 2B, 2A, and 7B. To access these forms, click on this button and select which forms you'd like to generate, along with the relevant employees. Scroll to the end of your employee list and generate the form with this button. We have also packed in a really cool report section, which allows you to generate several types of reports for your business's needs. In this section, you can generate a work time report for an employee, payroll summary reports for individuals and your entire team, branch, or department. Other reports include an NIS aggregation report, which allows you to pull NIS data from several payrolls, and a salary expenditure report, where you can see trends and breakdowns of data on how much you have spent on employees' salaries, overtime, allowances, NIS contributions, and all other employee expenditure. Well, that's a wrap for now. It's time for you to create your own payroll. It's really easy. Have fun. And remember, you can review these videos at any time if you want to refresh your memory.